Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to use to_JSON function using Python. So this function will normally use to convert the columns containing data types of StructType, ArrayType and MapType into JSON string column type. So if this throws an exception in case of an unsupported type. So normally when we will use uh, this function is, suppose I have a column of struct type and I want to convert to string type, then we'll use this function to_JSON. So this topic is limited to how to convert struct type column into string type column using to_JSON. So I will make separate video for these two topics, how to convert array type to string type and map type to string type. So one more real-time scenario like when to use to_JSON is, suppose if you're working in structured streaming project, like, or you can say Kafka streaming project. So there you'll suppose there you will get input in the form of CSV file. So if you got input as CSV file, then how to convert that one into JSON format. Okay, so there we'll use this to_JSON function. So similar way, I created this notebook, how in real time we'll get CSV file and how to convert this one to JSON. Okay, this CSV file into JSON. So I'm going to explain in similar way. Suppose if we have CSV file, so I'm uploading this one. So I'm pulling this data and I have this many columns in this particular CSV file. Okay, so this CSV file, so what I'm doing is, so first I'm applying struct function and I given star. Star means it has to select all the columns of this CSV file. So, and I given alias name and I given distinct. So it will filter out distinct values. So if you want more information about struct function, you can go to my playlist, pyspark playlist, and here you will find this particular video. This talks about pyspark struct function. So here I made full explanation about in-depth explanation about struct function. So you can watch that video before watching this one. Okay, so here what it does is, if you apply this struct function, so we have CSV file and it has individual columns and it has individual data types. Okay, so after using this struct function, if you see here, what it does is it converted to struct data type. And this struct data type, it has all the CSV file columns. And if you observe here, see this is struct type and it given column data type, okay, in key value pair format. And see each row, it is converted into this format. If you try to expand this arrow, see first one is object and it that means it converted to object type, and under object you'll find all the columns, sorry, not all the columns means if you see here records each row, so each row it converted into object type. Suppose if we take id 17 batsman, maybe we'll select other one, like here we have id1 admin John Victor, id1 admin John Victor. Okay, so this one is our first row. So if you see this one, ID1, so all of it pick up like key value pair type. ID1, nickname admin, first name John, first name, last name Victor. So you can see similar way here. First one, column is key, value is 1, key value pair type, and nickname admin, first name John, last name Victor, age 30, type grade 1. So it will come like this. Okay, all key value pair type. So total we have 101 rows in this particular CSV file. So all 101 rows it converted to this format. So now our input has in the form of struct data type format. So as our topic, how to convert struct type column into string type column. So now we'll see how to convert this struct type data type into string type column. So here what I'm doing, I'm using with column. I've given this particular name. Here I'm using to underscore JSON function on top of this column, pp underscore message. That is this one, this column, pp underscore message. So we'll see how it will convert. See it converting the pp underscore message column to JSON string. So if you try to run this one, see our initial input column is struct type and our output, this column, this is the column name, it converted to string data type. And if you see this output, see this is our first struct type, okay, key value format. And if you observe our output, see it converted to JSON format. At starting flower bracket is there, ending flower bracket. So this is you can consider as like single line JSON file. So all 101 rows it converted to JSON format. Okay, so this how you can convert by using to underscore JSON function from struct type to string type. So that's all about this video. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.